Next, we talk about significant figures. Now, how many people are in this crowd? Can we say about 10,000? How about 10,400 or 10,472? When we participate in measurement, we have to be aware of some limitations. We have to be careful not to make an estimate that is more precise than our measuring abilities allow. So when we use measuring devices, we only estimate one digit further than the level of precision inherent in the instrument. Consider this brick. When we measure its length, we notice it falls between 15.4 and 15.5 centimeters. The level of precision of this device is a tenth of a centimeter or 0.1 centimeter. In other words, this instrument can accurately measure up to 1 decimal of a centimeter. So the distance between 0.4 and 0.5 can only be estimated. For example, we can estimate this length to 15.45 centimeters. In this measurement, 15 in the whole number and 4 in the decimal part are certain. But the 5 in the decimal part is uncertain. It is uncertain because it is an approximate value. The number of digits in a measurement which are certain plus one additional digit are together known as significant figures. Accordingly, we cannot estimate this length to 15.45326. We will be way off the limit because we do not have access to that kind of precision. We only estimate 1 decimal further than the least count. So any measurement will have a certain amount of significant figures associated with it that display how precise it is. Here are the rules for determining how many significant figures are in a number. 1. Any digit that is not 0 is significant. 2. Zeros in between other non-zero digits are significant. 3. Leading zeros, ones that come before the first non-zero digit, are not significant. 4. Trailing zeros, those that come after the last non-zero digit, are only significant if they are decimal zeros. This is the most confusing part, but it is easy to see from the examples. So 10,000 only has one significant figure, which really means it's about 10,000 people. It is an estimate. If we bring back the same crowd and one person shows up, can we estimate 10,001 persons? No, we will still say it's about 10,000 people because we have only estimated to one significant figure. Now, when we do calculations, we have to pay attention to significant figures. If we are adding or subtracting, our answer should have as many decimal places as the value with the least number of decimal places, unless the question has specified the number of decimal places the answer should be rounded off to. In this case, our answer should have 1 decimal place. If we are multiplying or dividing, our answer should have as many significant figures as the value with the least number of significant figures. Again, unless given specifications. In our case, our answer should have 3 significant figures. Whatever our answer is, we will have to round off to the appropriate digit. 5 or higher means we round up, 4 or below, we round down. For example, 250,700 to 2 significant figures. We count from left. 1, 2. The digit after is 0. It is less than 5, so we round down, and we have 250,000. To 3 significant figures, we count 1, 2, 3. The digit after is 7. Add 1 to 0 and everything beyond that becomes zeros. So we have 251,000. Now, suppose you get an answer like this and you are required to get it into 4 significant figures. 25 has only 2 digits. Luckily, they are both significant. Where do you get the other 2? Remember, trailing decimal zeros are significant, so we shall put it as 25.00.